morning I am going to show you how to use a lead test swab. They're quite simple. Instructions are right on the bottle. It comes with 60. There's an expiry date on the top, so you need to make sure your kit, swab kit stays within that range, I guess. Otherwise it might not be accurate. So they start out kind of dark orange. It says to get them wet, shake off any excess water, and wait till it turns yellow. Now that's maybe a stretch. I don't know. I know they're quite a bright orange and they do get a little lighter, but they don't turn mustard yellow. So I don't know which mustard they're comparing it to, but I think that's probably as good as it's going to get. So this table here is a set that a lady wants refinished. She painted it herself in the 90s. I don't normally do repainted furniture because I don't like working over top of somebody else's work when I don't know what prep they've done. Obviously this one's held up fairly well, although it's been sanded, so I'm guessing it was chipping and flaking a bit, but it looks like it's solid what's left. So if it's safe, then I will proceed. I also have the acetone here to test for, to test that it's water-based rather than oil-based. Otherwise I'll have to use a specific primer that bridges between those. So I think I'm going to go ahead with this. It seems as good as it's going to change. So I'm just going to rub it. There's some spots here that are sanded, so they might be a little more exposed if it were lead. I don't think it is. It's supposed to change to a pink, red, violet, or pink tip indicates lead. I should have looked around. I have an old house. I might have been able to find something that actually does have lead paint. Might do that yet just to see if I can demonstrate what actually happens. But really it's just leaving a yellow orange film, but it doesn't seem to be changing. Oh, I take that back. Look at that. There's some lead. That one is. Huh, interesting. Good to know. Yeah, it's an old set, so it probably had the original lead paint on it. Well, I will let her know. Oh, and actually before I do that, it's probably oil-based, this one then. Unless they made water-based lead, but I'm just going to use some acetone. It's 100%. Something you do your nails with. So here I want to just see if the white comes off. Well, it does, so they made a water-based lead, or I might try it with just alcohol. That's supposed to also be a test, and I feel like acetone could dissolve anything. But yeah, that did definitely have lead in it. So it pays to test.